guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Gina, and so for today's video, you guys, I will be doing a DIY dough bowl fall centerpiece. So I have been seeing these all over Pinterest and I got so inspired to just go ahead and do mine. As you all may know, all these centerpieces, like the big centerpieces, they can cost you an arm and a leg. They are ridiculously expensive. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I got the dough bowl. The dough bowl was only $11. So regular price is $19.99, but as you may all know, fall decor right now at Hobby Lobby is 40% off. So I got it for $11, and then I picked up all these picks, and almost everything is from Hobby Lobby. Well, everything is from there. So I will be showing you guys how I basically do this centerpiece. So if you would like to see how this turns out, just keep on watching.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what
As you saw in the video, I thought I was gonna use the whole block, but I think I worked way better without it. So I only used one to be able to put the bigger pumpkin, and I do need another one. So I'm gonna have to go and get me another of those pumpkins. I did get it, I have two, but I went ahead and I used it in another vase. So now I need to get another one. But yes, you guys, this is how my dough bowl turned out, and I really love it. And I just have it here in my dining room. Like I said, it'll look a little bit more complete once I have that other white one. But it is so simple, you guys, and it is so much more cheaper and very inexpensive just to DIY your own things. That way you can save yourself some money. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him?